Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about an aspect of having an unhealthy relationship with ourselves, which is very important, which is something which is, I think, this is at the core of having an unhealthy relationship with oneself. And this is titled Feeling Unsafe and Scared. So, if you are somebody who relates to, this feeling of having self dislike, या फिर feeling that disconnection with yourself, or feeling uncomfortable being yourself in your body, or just not feeling that connection with your own self, or not never feeling confident in your own self, or not liking looking at yourself in the mirror, if you relate to all of these things. Or I can also say that if growing up you did not feel safe in yourself, or you did not like the person that you are, and if you have come to be an adult who kind of feels similar today same way, this is something you would relate to, that feeling unsafe and scared, because this is at the core of it. So when we are such a person, when we do not feel a connection with our own self, when I do not feel comfortable being myself, when I don't feel comfortable being in my body, and somewhere I wish that oh, I wish I could change this, I wish I was different, I was a different person. जब मेरे अंदर जब ये अंदर wishes चलती हैं, when I have all these wishes inside me, and this is what goes on in my mind all the time mostly, what also happens at the same time is that at core, deep within inside me, I feel unsafe and scared. And this is something which is like constant. तो मैं कभी कभी की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. It's not about, I'm not talking about some events, some special event or random events. No, this is something that would be there constantly. So there would be a constant feeling of unsafety and scared. And ये कब evoke होगा, कब trigger होता है? This feeling of unsafety and scared would get triggered mostly when I'm in the presence of some other people, or when I have to be out there and meet people, or just be in the presence of other people. And yahi par wo, the concept of being self conscious also comes in, that when I am in front of other people, or when I have to be out there in front of the people, I become self conscious, or I start to feel so conscious of my own self, and it feels so difficult to be myself. And that is why I don't like going out there. I don't like social gatherings, or it can be to the extent that I don't like meeting my own friends sometimes. So that is to what extent this feeling of unsafety and feeling scared can extend to. And when I'm by myself, अगर suppose मैं घर पे अकेला हूँ, तो I mean, this feeling would not be that intense. It will be there. That you see, this unsafety and feeling scared, as I said, it's a core. So it is always going to be there in my body. The thing is that it gets triggered the most when I have to be out there in front of people, out there in the world. Okay, so it is always there. It's just that it gets triggered when I have to be out there meeting and interacting with people. So that is what I'm going to talk about today, because it is see, if I'm not feeling safe in myself, if I'm feeling scared most of the times, and when I say scared, I mean it. You truly feel so much scared, so much fearful inside, deep within yourself, that it also impacts how you behave, your action, all the things. It really impacts your life, simply because it impacts how you feel. And I think feeling is the most important thing in life, right? So let's get right into it. Okay, so first, in total there are 3 sections that we're going to talk about. सबसे पहले we're going to talk about, okay, what is happening at present, how we feel, and then we're going to dive deeper into, okay, why, if I feel so unsafe and scared, why do I feel this way, what's actually happening, what's within. And then the third section, what do we do, the solution part, moving to the solution part, that what needs to happen. So let's come back to the first section. इसमें देखो क्या हो रहा है. देखो, this is us, ठीक है, ये मैं हूँ, and यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है fearful most of the time. So I am going to feel fearful most of the time. And what are the thoughts running in my mind? What is something that keeps playing in my mind? Like, what are my dominant thoughts? So मेरे जो dominant thoughts हैं यहाँ पे, I am alone, and I genuinely feel this. See, यहाँ पर ये सिर्फ एक कुछ statements नहीं है. These are not some statements that are logical, or that I'm choosing to believe, or that I'm choosing to think about. ये कोई random statements नहीं है. This is how I feel deep within myself when I am this person, when I feel safe and scared. So one thing that goes on is I'm alone. So this is a very this is how I feel in my life. Okay, I'm alone, and it's a very big thing. When I say I'm alone, it comes from a space that I have nobody to rely upon. See, I've written I have no one to rely upon. So if something goes wrong, or अगर कुछ हो भी जाए, so if I'm feeling scared, if some people start to bully me, or if I just end up in a danger in life, in any kind of danger, and if I need help, I am alone, I have no one to rely upon. And it's a very big statement. If somebody is living their life with these thoughts, imagine how much scared they're going to feel in themselves all the time, because now they're going to feel scared कि कुछ हो ना जाए. What if some people come and start to bully me? Because and where are these fears stemming from? Because see, life to unpredictable सबके लिए है, right? And it can happen to anybody, that some strangers can come and start to bully them, or that they can land up in any danger, or they are just at a point in life where they feel where they feel the need to seek help, where they want really the help of their friends or family. ये तो किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. Anybody can land up in such a situation in their life, but this person will anticipate it and will be fearful of those things happening, because यहाँ पर इसको एक सेंस क्या है लाइफ का, that I am alone. मेरे पास कोई नहीं है रिलाई करने के लिए. Even if I need help, I am alone. Nobody is there who will understand me and who will actually help me. So here I have a very strong sense that anything can happen and I am alone. So I will not have people who can help me. There is no help for me. And this is a very big, I think this is a very impactful thought or sense of feeling to have, because then it is going to make me feel so much fearful all the time, even at present. So अभी कुछ हुआ नहीं है, but I'm going to feel that fear even right now, because now I'm going to anticipate कि ये हो सकता है, right? And now I'm going to try my best to not land myself into such situation, जो कि इसलिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, यहीं से एंग्जाइटी भी आएगी. आई एम गोइंग टू कीप थिंकिंग कि कुछ हो तो. आई एम गोइंग टू कीप एनालाइजिंग माई एनवायरमेंट. इफ आई एम आउट, आई एम गोइंग टू कीप एनालाइजिंग माई एनवायरमेंट, कि कहीं से कोई मतलब टू स्कैन फॉर डेंजर, कि क्या हो रहा है, कब क्या हो जाए. वाई? बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स आर सो डोमिनेंट इन माई सिस्टम. These are not just thoughts, not just statements. This is what I feel in my body. My body gives it to me. There is no logic to it. Even if I have my family, even if there are people into my life. But again, your relationship with those people will not be very strong, or your connection with those people will not be very deep. वो वाला connection नहीं है अभी हमारे साथ. Because see, the fact that we're talking about this thing and that you're here, it means that we are talking about the case where we share an unhealthy relationship with ourselves. And when you are this person, when we share an unhealthy relationship with ourselves, it will be difficult for me to have a healthy relationship with other people in my life, where I also feel safe, where I feel safe enough to be myself, where I feel that if anything happens in my life, this person will be there for me. So ये बात given है that I will also not have such connection in my life where I feel safe, and I feel safe enough to be vulnerable or to seek help, or just to have that sense that these people will be there. If I go to them, or if something happens to me in my life, I will have my people who will be willing. And होंगे, suppose these people are there, but here you will not feel that they will be there. You will not have a feeling that I'm worthy enough, that some people will be taking time out of their life to help me, to support me, or to help me when I'm in need. So यहाँ पर मेरे अंदर ये सब चल रहा है. So all this, and please note that all of these things are happening within me. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि I have no one to rely upon, or that I am alone. See, anything happen, ये तो सबके लिए true है, right? But ये जो बाकी तो statement that I have no one to rely upon, I am alone, it is ये मेरे अंदर है, ये मेरे अंदर है. And these statements are the difference between me and somebody else who does not feel so much unsafety and this fearfulness inside them. यही डिफरेंस है. दैट इन माई सिस्टम दीज स्टेटमेंट्स आर, दिस इज माई ट्रूथ. इन मेरे सिस्टम, इन माई वर्ल्ड, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन माई वर्ल्ड, आई हैव बिलीव दैट आई एम अलोन. Even if I'm in need, even if something happens to me, I don't have people to help me. As a result, I feel scared. So यहाँ पे जो feeling of scared है, ये जो fearful मैंने लिखा है, it is most of the time, मतलब dominantly this is what's happening inside my body. And so I don't need reason from outside to feel fearful and scared. This is kind of my default state. This is kind of my constant state. So this is what, and यहाँ पे मैं लिखा है at present, and it is definitely not helpful. Anybody who relates to this, if you relate to this, if you know how it feels to be this much fearful, to feel scared all the time for no reason, to be so self conscious when you are in the presence of other people. See, मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि हम कभी that it's about becoming somebody who never feels self conscious. We are not talking about that. See, self conscious हो गया, feeling under confident हो गया, insecurity हो गई. कोई भी इंसान perfect नहीं होता है. So it's not about going from 0 to 100. There's in between, right? इसके अंदर percentages होते हैं, intensity होती है कि जब, और and when it becomes a problem when we know the intensity is to the extent where I start to feel its impact in my life. ठीक है? So यहाँ पर if you are this person, you would know how being here does not help you, how it actually impacts the way you behave, the way you act in your life, in every aspect, in your relationship. अगर हम ये इंसान है, ठीक है, और अगर हमारे जब हम बात करते हैं अपने रिलेशनशिप एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ की, तो इट इज दिस थिंग ऑफ माइंड दैट आई फील स्केयर्ड, आई फील fearful most of the time. It is going to impact the kind of relationship that I have, of how much trust, of how much I'm able to trust the other person in a relationship, of how deep my connection with my friends and family is, of how much I am able to trust other people. Similarly, in my career also, workplace also, in my studies also, it is going to impact. It is going to impact how I perform, how much I'm going to express myself, how much I feel free to express myself and put myself out there. All of those things. How much I'm able to trust other people at my workplace also. How much, like, what is my definition of, like, am I able to have casual relationship or good equations, healthy equations with my colleagues, or am I feeling suspicious all the time that these people can do something to me? All these things. So this is what is happening at present. Something that does not help you. Nobody wants to be at this place. And if you are in this place, if you feel this way, this video is going to help you, because you're going to understand other, deeper layer of this, that okay, what is happening exactly. So first is that, you see, this is not your truth. आप ऐसे पैदा नहीं हुए थे, right? So you're not here to live like this forever. So if something is not helping you, something, so if the way you feel right now does not help you, you don't like it, there's always a way out. This is something that I always want to tell all of my people, all of my clients. There's always a way out, because all of us are born whole, perfect and complete. Nobody is born underconfident or feeling with a lot of insecurity or feeling self-conscious. There's always a way out. It's about doing the inner work. It's about willing to believe that there's a way out. There is a version of myself who is confident, who loves themselves, who feels good in their body, who feels comfortable being themselves. It's about having that vision. Okay, so let's come back to this topic, and now let's move to the second section, where we are going to go a deep, where we are going to explore a layer that is deep, like, within this. कि अगर हम ऐसे हैं, so why so scared? Why am I at this place? Why do I feel so scared? What is happening beneath this? Okay, so let's come to this one. Okay, so यहाँ पर again, this is me, right? वही इंसान है, again same person. अब यहाँ पर देखो क्या है. यहाँ पर यहाँ पे I've drawn something, like यहाँ पे मैंने एक सर्कल दिखाया है. So I often talk about core, at the core. So as I said यहाँ पर कि जो अनसेफ्टी और स्कैर्ड है, जो अनसेफ्टी और फीलिंग दैट फियरफुलनेस है, ये हम ना अपने कोर में फील करते हैं. इट्स इन माई कोर. सो इट्स नॉट समथिंग फ्लीटिंग, कोई हल्की सी चीज़ नहीं है कि बाहर से हो गई, कि कोई इवेंट हुआ, मुझे डर लगा और फिर खत्म हो गया. नो, इट्स समथिंग दैट इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट इन माई सेल्फ. So this is the same core that I've drawn. So now let's zoom into कि what is happening inside myself. So as I said, वहाँ पे जो thoughts थे ये मेरे अंदर है. So we are not going to explore कि what is happening outside, कि I'm feeling so unsafe and scared. We are going to go deeper into ourselves, कि अगर मेरे अंदर ऐसे thoughts हैं, अगर मेरा world view ऐसा है that I feel alone, I have nobody to rely upon. Why is it that way? What happened? What is happening? Okay. So देखो, जब इस कोर को हम देखते हैं तो ये है क्या है, what is exactly this core is about. So यहाँ पर कोर में क्या है, no safety within. So what this person is actually feeling, मतलब इस इंसान, हमारे यहाँ पर ना जो हमारा कोर है, there is no safety. हमारे अंदर वो सेफ्टी है ही नहीं. I don't have that safety factor, that trust factor in myself, and there is a reason to it why it is so. That for to answer that, see what we have drawn. ये मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है inner child, inner self भी कह सकते हैं. And see if you see its posture, मतलब जिस तरीके से बैठा है. So here I've tried to represent it as a scared inner child. मतलब ये जो inner child है, it feels highly scared. मतलब असली में हमें लगता है कि ना I'm the one scared here. And I clearly said that here ये जो हम unsafety और fearful या फिर जो scared feel करते हैं, it is not logical. तो यहाँ पर ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारे environment में कुछ danger है that I'm going to feel unsafe. So it's not logical, right? I can here ask myself that okay, what am I really scared about? I will have no answer, no reason. You know why? Because यहाँ पर जो मेरा scared वाला feeling है, it is not coming through my mind. It is coming through my body. And what do I mean when I say it is coming through my body? यहाँ पर उसका आंसर है. As I said, see, ये जो inner child है, ये हमारा डरा हुआ है. तो हमें जो अनसेफ्टी और fearful जो एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, जो हमारे लिए अब कॉन्स्टेंट है, वो एक्चुअली हमारा इनर चाइल्ड है, जो आज भी which is actually so scared and which actually feels so fearful all the time. तो ये एक्चुअली हमारा इनर चाइल्ड है जो अनसेफ फील करता है. ये हमारा एक्चुअली इनर चाइल्ड है who has lived and grown up and experienced that I have no one to rely upon. Because for this person, for this younger version of us, when we were just a child, when we were growing up, when we actually needed safety outside of us to feel safe, I did not feel that safety outside of me, and that is why I grew up experiencing and living and believing that I have no one to rely upon. So for this child, यहाँ पे हमें लगता है ना कि अरे कोई लॉजिक ही नहीं है. वाई एम आई फीलिंग सो स्कैर्ड? देयर इज नथिंग टू बी स्कैर्ड इन द एनवायरमेंट. एवरीबडी एल्स इज सो केयर फ्री. पीपल आर जस्ट एंजॉइंग द इवेंट एंड हियर आई एम स्कैनिंग फीलिंग सो सेल्फ कॉन्शियस. मुझे इतना डर लग रहा है अंदर. सो वाई दैट हैपेंस? वाई अदर पीपल फील सो केयर फ्री एंड वाई यू डोंट? बिकॉज योर कोर, मतलब योर इनर चाइल्ड, वो जो आपके अंदर एक आपका वर्जन है, योर इनर सेल्फ, दैट इज स्कैर्ड, दैट इज वॉट इज फीलिंग अनसेफ इवन टुडे. वाई? बिकॉज फॉर इसके लिए रियलिटी आपको इलॉजिकल लग रहा है कि वाई आई एम फीलिंग स्कैर्ड, बट फॉर दिस चाइल्ड वर्जन ऑफ यू इट इज रियलिटी. It is not going to use logic. It cannot use its logic because this child has it's all about how this child felt growing up. So for this you need to reflect in your childhood. Go back to your childhood and reflect. How did you feel growing up? The fact that we are here today, the fact that as a grown up I feel so unsafe today and fearful and feeling scared is so common, so constant, so dominant for me. It is a proof that growing up I never felt safe. I never felt that I have this one person in my life that I can go to anytime, who will protect me, who will be there for me. Even it's not about even protecting, it's just having that acknowledgement that there's this person who will always be present for me. But here in this case you have not experienced having that sense of safety. Hence ये जो inner child हमारा, it is actually this version of us जो हमारे अंदर अभी भी है. That this is the version of us. This is actually who feels so scared, who feels so fearful. तो यहाँ पर ये illogical नहीं है, right? It is there because lack of sense of safety growing up. This version of me actually experienced and felt the lack of sense of safety growing up. See, because as a child हमारे अंदर safety नहीं होती है. How do we feel safe? We feel safe by by relying upon or by finding that safety or anchoring that safety from outside in some person, mostly our parents or guardians, people who we are dependent upon. But the fact that we have grown up to be here, the fact that I have an unhealthy relationship with myself today. Unhealthy relationship का मतलब क्या है? That this is my inner self, this is me. तो जो मेरा bond है इसके साथ, that do I understand this version of myself? How do I think of this version of myself? Do I even feel the connection with this version of myself? Because when I have an unhealthy relationship, I will not even feel that I have an inner self, that I have an inner child in myself who I need to connect with. तो यहाँ पर मेरा कनेक्शन ही hampered है. और अगर कनेक्शन है भी तो वो कैसा कनेक्शन है? टॉक्सिक. That I'm blaming it, I'm asking it, I'm judging it कि मैं इतना डरा हुआ क्यों हूँ? I'm so this is my destiny. I was born this way. It's not happening with anybody else. It's just me feeling scared for no reason, looking dumb, looking stupid, has no personality. So what am I doing? How am I talking with myself? How am I treating this scared child? And this is nothing but a part of us, younger part of us, who feels scared and unsafe even today. Okay, so this is what is happening inside us. Okay? And to explain this, I said that when we grow up, we actually need safety outside of us to develop that safety factor. But here, because we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves, we never had it, right? Instead we had lack of sense of safety growing up. Hence we failed to develop that safety because this child never got to feel safe in themselves or safe in the world. Hence वो unsafety अभी भी feel कर रहा है और वो part हमारे अंदर ही है. That is why I feel so scared, so unsafe for no reason. Even when there is no logic to it, I feel that unsafety. I scan for danger. I try to protect myself. And I have a strong feeling that I am alone. I have no one to rely upon. I do not have that safety corner in the world for me. And it's not about that having that physical safety corner. कि room मिल जाए कोई जिसमें मैं safe हूँ. No, it's not about that. It's about having that safety inside myself, inside here at the core. फिर मैं कहीं भी चले जाऊँ, in any environment, in any group of people. It's not that I will not feel scared. Even though I feel scared from outside, I will have that safety factor in my own self. The way I talk to myself, the moment this inner child version of mine starts to feel safe, everything will change. मतलब the moment I develop safety here, things will change for myself. I will stop feeling so unsafe and scared. So now talking on the same thing, let's go to the section 3, which is about okay, what do we do? अब हमने बहुत कुछ explore कर लिया कि okay, what is happening and what's happening beneath it. Now let's come to the important section where we talk about okay, what do I do? Because we don't want to be here, even though now I understand why do I feel that way. But okay, what do I do? Let's talk about the solution. So यहाँ पर see I've represented again. I've drawn the same figure. So here this is adult me, ठीक है? अब हम बड़े वाला version हमारा, and this is the inner self, or you can also call inner child. यहाँ पर I have not drawn the arrows. वहाँ पर मैंने arrows draw किए थे to reflect that this child is very scared. It is still feeling unsafe. ये अभी भी scared और unsafe feel कर रहा है. यहाँ पर मैंने वही चीज़ ड्रॉ की है, बट यहाँ पर आई हैव नॉट शोन दिस चाइल्ड टू बी सो स्कैर्ड, इंस्टेड इट इज़ जस्ट स्टैंडिंग लाइक केयर फ्री, ये खड़ा है, इट्स इज़ वेरी केयर फ्री, ठीक है। एंड यहाँ पर आई शोन यू कनेक्टिंग विद योर सेल्फ, यहाँ पर इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग अवे, मैं यहाँ पे ना मैं यहाँ नहीं देख रही हूँ, बाहर दुनिया से नहीं इंटरेक्ट कर रही हूँ, ये एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड है, ये इनर वर्ल्ड है। आई हैव टर्न्ड विद इन माई सेल्फ, मैं खुद की तरफ मुड़ गया हूँ। आई हैव स्टार्टेड टू connect with this inner child, inner self version of my own self. I started to connect with my own self. और जब मैं खुद से कनेक्ट करती हूँ, when I start to look and acknowledge my inner self, my inner child, when I start to understand myself, when I start to let myself be, when I don't try to change it, when I start to accept myself, when I start to connect with this inner child, with my own self, with that version of my own self, ये जो मेरा inner child, this is what healing is about, turning towards your own self, learning to accept yourself, learning to understand your story. Instead of judging and blaming, you start to understand yourself, understand your story, and you start to offer all those things, that safety, that love, that kindness, that time, that acceptance that this child never got, that they truly wanted, that they badly needed. So one thing about this inner child is that यहाँ पर जब मैंने दिखाया ना, it is scared. See, in child, every child wants that safety factor outside. Every child wants to be accepted and validated. Most of in this case, it did not get it. But ये अभी भी वो, because इसकी नीड थी जो अभी तक मेट नहीं हुई है. हमने उसकी जो नीड थी ना, that I want to feel accepted, loved and safe. I want to feel safe. वो इस यहाँ पर इस केस में वो फुलफिल नहीं हुई है. So that is why it lives inside us even today. सीकिंग दैट सेफ्टी आउटसाइड. इसे अभी भी वो सेफ्टी आउटसाइड चाहिए, बट आउटसाइड तो सेफ्टी है ही नहीं. एंड इन केस व्हेन अ चाइल्ड डज गेट दैट सेफ्टी आउटसाइड ऑफ देम ग्रोइंग अप, दैट इज द हेल्दी, दैट इज व्हेन दे एंड अप डेवलपिंग अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप विद देमसेल्व्स. बट वी आर मोर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स हियर, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद अस. सो लेट्स कम बैक टू हियर. सो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकम्स टू टेंड टू माई इनर चाइल्ड, टू टेंड टू माई इनर सेल्फ वर्जन एंड प्रोवाइड इट विद that same safety, love, acceptance, validation जो उसको नहीं मिला है. And the moment this child starts to receive all those things, that safety, that feeling of validation, that acceptance, जब the moment this inner version of us starts to receive it from ourselves, it starts to heal, it starts to release that unsafety, it starts to release that all that feeling of unsafety and fearfulness. It starts to relax, it starts to release all those fears, and it also starts to connect with you. And for me to have a healthy relationship with my own self, I need that connection with my own self. And the moment I connect with my own self, और connection का मतलब क्या है, that I understand myself, I understand who I am, why I am, and I let myself be. मतलब I accept myself, I don't ask myself to change. I'm not repeating the same thing here, that okay, become this person, only then I will accept you, become this person, only then you will be lovable. No, I will not repeat the same thing that happened with this child. Here I am going to accept this child version of myself with open arms, with full understanding, and that is nothing but healing my relationship with myself. That is what's happening here essentially. Okay, and now I have यहाँ पर एक to help you understand, okay, how do you do this, or I have an analogy here that actually helps you understand, okay, how do I connect with myself, or how do I help this inner version of my own self feel safe. So here let's explore this small section here I have. So for this I have a question to you. So suppose this is you, ठीक है, ये हम हैं. Because oftentimes when I talk about myself and this inner version of myself, my own self, because we cannot see them separately or as different entities, it becomes difficult for us to understand, okay, how do I give it the validation, how do I accept it, how do I give it the safety, how do I make this version of myself feel safe. Often it feels difficult. For that I have an analogy for you to understand. See, suppose this is you, ठीक है, ये हम हैं, एंड ये हमारा इनर वर्जन नहीं है, ये हमारा इनर चाइल्ड नहीं है, हमारा कोर यहीं पर है. सपोज, ओके, आई वांट यू टू, एंड सपोज दिस इज यू एट प्रेजेंट, ठीक है, ये हम प्रेजेंट वाले ही हैं. वी हैव नॉट हील्ड ईयर, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, ये दिस इज अस, प्रेजेंट में हम है ये. एंड आई ब्रिंग टू यू अ स्मॉल 5, 6, 7 younger, I bring to you a very young scared child, a child who is very scared. So they are very scared in themselves, बहुत डरे हुए हैं. So I want you to really visualize a child who is very scared, very small, very young, and I bring them to you, ठीक है, I bring them to you, and I leave this child with you. Now my question to you is that how would you make this child feel safe? You know you are safe, right? You know you are not going to harm this child, but this child is feeling so unsafe. मान लो इसके साथ, suppose I want you to assume that this child has had an experience where they where they got abused or where they got bullied by a person same year of the same age, a person, an adult. They were abused or they were bullied for a considerable period of time, suppose a week or months, by a person, and now this child is very scared. You can assume how a child feels scared when they have had a fearful experience and an undesirable experience. So now this child is feeling that level of scared. उसे उतना डर लग रहा है. And I bring this child to you and I leave this child with you. How would you make this child feel safe? Really ask yourself this question. And one thing that would come here is that it is not how you talk to them, it is not what you tell them. आप अपने यहाँ पे लॉजिक से जो बात करके इसको सेफ्टी कभी नहीं फील करा सकते, because the child never understands language. Children overlook language. What actually matters to children? How they feel, how something is making them feel. So when you reflect on this question, what you will actually land upon, or I actually want you to reflect back into your life and ask yourself, when if even if it's just about a child who's crying, what actually helps the child feel better or regulate them. When they look into your eyes, when they're able to connect with you, when they feel that you're actually safe, when instead of talking you just hold them and pat on their back and you're with them. You don't hurry them, you don't hush them. Oh, stop crying. No, to this child it does not matter what you tell them. You cannot use your logic or words to soothe this child or to help them feel that safety. All they need is your presence. Is that okay, this person is here with me to connect with you. When you connect with them, when you're with them, that is when this child actually starts to feel that what, this person is here and this person is safe. So it's about making this child feeling safe with you. It's about feeling. And how do you make somebody feel something? By actually being that person, right? By not actually hurrying, by not actually being in a desperate and impatient energy. That okay, just be daro mat, all those things. Which is what we often end up doing here with ourselves. We often end up asking ourselves कि ऐसे क्यों है, judging ourselves, accusing ourselves, criticizing ourselves. कि काश मैं डर रही, why am I so scared? No personality at all, and all of those things. So the thing is that treat yourself the same way that you would treat this child, a scared child that I would bring to you. If you are handed a scared child, how would you make them feel safe? The same thing goes for you to make your inner child, your inner version feel safe with you. So it's about, at the end of the day, it's about developing the safety within. वो जो safety factor यहाँ पर नहीं था, it's about developing that safety factor in your own self, and it is possible. How? By inner work. How? By doing the inner work so that I connect to that inner child version of myself. ये जो मेरा inner child version है, I want to connect with that version of my own self. And how does that happen? When I understand myself, when I accept myself, when I let myself be. मतलब when I forgive myself, when I'm able to offer that validation, that love, that safety to that version of my own self. And how do you do that? What do we need to do for that? We heal or we build a healthy relationship with ourselves. मतलब it's about यहाँ पर अगर मैं बात करूँ तो it's about diving deeper into my all thoughts and feelings, diving deeper into myself, my inner world, so that I can connect to myself, so that I can see, okay, what is unprocessed. If I feel so scared and fearful, what experience or what are the memories? When did I start feeling that, all those things? When did it get so dominant in myself? What triggers it the most? So it's about diving deeper into your own self and ultimately building a healthy relationship with your own self, which you do through inner work by diving into your inside world of thoughts and feelings. And this is the work I do. I help you build a beautiful, loving, compassionate relationship with your own self, where you like who you are, where you feel comfortable being yourself, where you accept yourself, and where you truly think and consider yourself worthy and deserving of your own love and of all the good things in the world. Love, money, and good things, these are all same thing, same concept. Our body receives it as same thing. So if I don't think that I'm worthy of love, especially of my own love, I'm also going to reject money and every other good thing in the world. So it's all related, and that is why the kind of relationship that I share with myself is so important. And I think most of all it is important because it impacts how you feel in your body every second, and that is the most important thing, because you deserve to feel good in yourself. You deserve to feel proud and beautiful and loving in your own self. And so if you want to do this work, go book a session with me. Clarity calls are free with me right now, and it's a very safe space, very beautiful space to really be yourself, to really bring out what is going on within your own self, and we have a beautiful conversation around it, and by the end of it, you know your problem and your life and yourself better. So go ahead and book your session. For that, you just need to check the description and comment. I'll put my WhatsApp number there. Just DM me session and I'll send you the link, and I'll see you in the session then. All right, bye bye.